Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, April 28th, 2015. IBB, I called it. The collapse was coming, and I want to tell you exactly how I knew this, because ultimately we're here to teach, folks. That's what we like to do. I give out all my live trades in the research center and in the options alerts. However, I like to teach people how to do it because, frankly, maybe I'll do this for another year and a half, but ultimately I will retire from this and just trade for myself, and I want to make sure as many people as possible get that information so that they can make money on their own. All right, take a look at the IBB chart. You see this massive move up and then this reversal. When you see a reversal like this where the IBB literally dropped from 375 down to about the 325 level, that's a $50 drop or close to 20% correction in a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. All right, when you see a correction of that magnitude that quickly, that tells you that there's most likely a major top in place. The way you solidify it as being a for sure top is look for what happens after. In this case, what you can clearly see is you popped up, then retested, and then floated up very gingerly, very slowly. A slow float higher is a sell signal, okay? Notice how, you see this gap fill right here? All right, so you had this big reversal candle, and that was your gap fill. Notice how that was the top, and notice how many days. So you had a 5-day drop, and then right here on this float up, it was 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, like almost 20 days of upside move, but it was never taking it out. Now, if you had shot up in 3 days and taken out this high, then obviously that's not a bearish sign. But this is what we call an inside bar pattern or bearish pattern. And that's exactly what you got. So patiently, I waited for this gap fill to hit right here, and we shorted it in the research center. And look at that. Literally, in a matter of a couple days, the IBB dropped to the point where we took a $19 profit in just a few days. $19 profit on the IBB. We covered at the lows today. I knew this was going to be support right down here. And sure enough, they've rallied all the way back to the flat line. But again, we got out here at literally $340.7. It's now up basically $8 from that level. But again, that's what it's all about. Take a look at the track record here. This is the Research Center track record. You want to check out the Research Center, go here. There's a 7-day free trial. But let's just focus on the track record. All right, zooming over. This is the 2015 track record. All right, here's your IBB trade that I just closed out. It's done in based off of when you enter it. So I entered it on the 13th, okay, 2 weeks ago, a little less than 2 weeks ago. And ultimately, look at that, 5.28% gain. That's a $19 gain from my entry to my short exit. There it is, telling you a short. This is what it's all about, guys. And again, just look at the track record. Look at the track record. There's no one doing this. Hedge funds don't even have even close to this performance. All right, there's no one else doing this, folks. This is verified, third-party verified. We have a third-party tracking our track record now to verify every single entry, exit, and timestamp on it. And look at that. Is that sick or what? You show me anyone else who has a net of 396% in 2015. The first trades didn't come out till the 5th of the month. Look at this, 0105. And so basically we're talking about in 4 months, less than 4 months, almost a 400% gain. That's ridiculous. That's just flat out unbelievable. But honestly, ask our members, ask the third-party verifying team. That's what it's all about here. And sure enough, unbelievable, folks. And again, if you want to check out past years, feel free. But closed out to JPM short today and a IBB, obviously the IBB per this, and that's where it is. And again, folks, you want to go to the research center. You want to check out how to take advantage of this and get these trade alerts live as they're taken, as they're given, and so forth. All right, that's what you want to do. Then you just need to flip over to the Research Center right here. Subscribe now, or if you've never been with us, take your 7-day free trial. You get every entry and exit I take, time-stamped. Daily analysis videos are included, daily market reports, hot charts and alerts, and no-hype live broadcasts. These are live broadcasts. You ask questions, you see our live charts. Come join us here. Take the 7-day free trial. You want to look at the track record again, there it is, or subscribe now. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com.